Hello, everybody. My name is Luqman, and this is.
And my name is Ahmed, and we'll be showcasing Lab 2 and the results for Lab 2 today. So, just to get started, we have like five different labels here, and we have the radio buttons to check any one of them. So, we could, for example, let me choose Lab 3 over here, and we could add a thick border. And then we can add a dots border. And this is one of the requirements of this lab was that previous in the code we were given, the borders would be done on top of each other in a way that it wouldn't be seen. But over here now, all of them are be able to see. So we see the dots separate, and we also see the thick border separate. And then we have, for example, you can also put a thin border. So if you remove, so we have like for example, we can go to label 5. We can add a thin border, and then you can add a and dots border, and then as per the requirements, we were told to choose one. So I'll choose label 1. I'll add a border. I'll choose label 2. I'll add a dots border. I'll choose label 3. I'll come back to label 1 and choose dots border also. So we were able to successfully show the borders being added to each one of those labels. Another thing we were told to do is if for example the challenge which was removing the last label. So over here we're on label 1 already and remove it. So there was a dot, so for example we can just do it again. We have the add dots border, we added the dots, and we can remove last, so we'll remove that. We can remove once again, we press it once again, and it's totally gone. Going back to label 2, we have the dots over here, we can remove it. Going, let's choose 5. Okay, we have uh, a thick border, a thin border, and dots border, and then we can remove them one by one based upon what we chose first. And then we also have the custom border which Lukman implemented.
Yeah, and we've decided to go with the custom wavy border, and I'll let Ahmed demo it for us. Yep,
Yeah, so
as you
over
can
here
see.
we have label 3, and we've added a wavy border as a custom border which Lukman worked on. So this was the custom decorator which we created. So we can add a thick border, we can add a thin border, we can add dots border, and we can add the wavy border. And then in that sequence, or in the reverse sequence, we get rid of them one by one. And just to show that to show that again, for example, we have lab 4 we'll choose over here. We have the wavy border, we have dots border, we have thin border, we have a thick border, and then reverse sequence, remove the last one. So all the requirements of the lab 2 were fulfilled. Thank you for listening.
Thank you. Bye bye.